Pakistan vs New Zealand T20 Series 2024 Fourth T20 match. Match details and best playing 11. Date 25th April. Time 7:30 PM Pakistan Standard Time. Venue Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Fakhar Zaman. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Usman Khan. Number 5 Mohammad Rizwan. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Imad Wasim. Number 9 Abbas Afridi. Number 10 Shansha Afridi. Number 11 Muhammad Amir. New Zealand team playing 11. Number 1 Tim Robinson. Number 2 Tim Seifert. Number 3 Dan Foxcroft. Number 4 Mark Chapman. Number 5 Jimmy Nisham. Number 6 Michel Bresswell. Number 7 Cole McConsey. Number 8 Ben Lister. Number 9 Jacob Duffy. Number 10 Ishodi. Number 11 Ben Sears.